How to remove about info on Facebook. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So let's dive right in without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. So first of all open a Facebook on a device. Then tap on three lines at the top right corner. Now simply tap on the profile. Then tap on edit profile. Now simply scroll down. Now tap on edit your about info. Now under education, simply tap on the pencil icon. Now if you want to remove the about info, simply tap on delete, or you can simply tap on sharing with and select only me, then tap on save. Now repeat the same process for all of the details. Again tap on sharing with, now select only me, then tap on save. Now scroll down. Now next to place left, simply tap on the pencil icon. Now you can either remove or select public and select only me and tap on done. Now tap on save. Now scroll down under contact info. Again tap on the pencil icon. Now select public and select only me. Now simply go back. Now repeat the same process for other contact info. Now under basic info, next to the date of birth, simply tap on the pencil icon. Now select only me on the both options and tap on done. Then tap on save. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.